How are you? I hope you are fine. Today we will continue with our kingdom fungi. The next class of kingdom fungi is Basidiomycetes. Basidiomycetes. This class is also known as mushroom or puffballs. This class is also known as mushroom or puffballs. Habitat of Basidiomycetes. Habitat, soil, moist places, stump of trees, This is the habitat of Basidiomycetes. Mycelium. What about mycelium? Mycelium is branched. And septate. Means septa are present in the mycelium. Not a single mycelium is present, it is branched. So many branches of hypha are present in the Basidiomycetes. Now, reproduction. Asexual and sexual reproduction is absent. Asexual and sexual is absent. Reproduction occurs by vegetative propagation. This versus natural vegetative propagation, not by the artificial vegetative propagation, by the method of fragmentation. When the body matures, it breaks up into fragments, and each fragment gives rise to a new organism. Sexual and asexual is absent. No formation of spores, no sex organs, no gametes, nothing. The examples are Agaricus. Example is Agaricus Ustilago. This is our class Basidiomycetes. Now next our class is Deuteromycetes. Next class is Deuteromycetes. Next class is Deuteromycetes. Students, this class is known as imperfect fungi. Imperfect fungi. Why? Only the vegetative and the asexual part of life of these organisms are known. When we find the sexual reproduction in this Deuteromycetes organisms, then these organisms shift into a other class, Basidiomycetes or Phycomycetes. That is why Deuteromycetes is known as the imperfect fungi. Here only vegetative and asexual phases are found. Next, habitat. Damp soil, moist places, living as parasites, living as parasites on plants as well as on animals. Mycelium. What about mycelium? Mycelium is branched and septate, same as in the Basidiomycetes. ठीक है जी. Reproduction. Reproduction occurs by vegetative method known as fragmentation, and by the formation of spores. They are asexual spores. Sexual reproduction is absent. Sexual reproduction is absent. Examples are trichoderma, and alternarium. Examples are trichoderma and alternaria. With this, the classes of fungi are over. Next is kingdom Plantae. Kingdom Plantae includes those organisms that have well-defined cell wall, made up of cellulose, and presence of prominent chlorophyll that helps in performing photosynthesis. That helps in performing photosynthesis. But most of the species are heterotrophic in nutrition. Some are totally heterotrophic and some are parasitically, and some are partially heterotrophic. For example, Venus flytrap, and pitcher plant. These are partially heterotrophic. They are called insectivorous plants, means they depend on insects for completing its mineral nutrition. Partially heterotrophic. And some are parasites. For example, we can take the example of Cuscuta, that is known as Amarvale in local language. Cuscuta. It totally depends on the host plant. Cuscuta is a thread-like structure that covers the whole tree on which it starts growing. Next, presence of large vacuole in eukaryotic cell. Advanced cell is present in plants and presence of large vacuole. Next, it consists of algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, Angiosperms. Angiosperms. हाँ जी, both asexual as well as sexual mode of reproduction is present. Asexual and sexual mode of reproduction is present. Asexual occurs by fragmentation or by vegetative propagation in nature. Sexual occurs by the formation of gametes such as in angiosperms. Angiosperms means flowering plants. Angiosperms means flowering plants. Then it consists of alternation of generation. What is the meaning of alternation of generation? Alternation of generation means plant has to pass from two stages of life, two phases of life, one in the form of diploid sporophyte and one in the form of haploid gametes. This is known as the alternation of generation, and these two phases are alternate with each other. These two phases are alternate with each other. This is alternation of generation. The detail of the kingdom planting, group by group, we will study in chapter 3, that is known as plant kingdom. Chapter 3, plant kingdom. The detail we will study further in chapter number 3. Next is kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Animalia. And kingdom Animalia consists of multicellular eukaryotic organisms. Multicellular eukaryotic organisms means all are made up of more than one cells. Multicellular eukaryotes. Eukaryotic cells. And like plants, cell wall is absent in the animals. Like plants, cell wall is absent. Cell wall is absent in plants. And the mode of nutrition is holozoic. All the animals depend on others for their food. They take organic food from outside and take it inside the mouth and digest it in the internal cavity. The cavity is known as the digestive system. Means heterotrophic. Mode of nutrition is holozoic. Next, sexual reproduction is present. Sexual reproduction is present. Means the male produces male gametes and the female produces female gametes. After fusion, fertilization occurs and then embryogenesis process starts, which helps in the developing of the embryo. After embryogenesis, a fully formed fetus takes birth. Next, after birth, the organism starts growth and development. It starts growth and development. It means this is the feature of kingdom Animalia. The organisms grow and develop. Growth and development. Growth and development. Most of the organisms shows mode of locomotion. Means bipedal mode of locomotion. They move with the help of 2 feet or 4 or uses 4 limbs for movement, but they show locomotion. It means mode of locomotion is also present. Next, all these organisms complete its life cycle and then death by giving birth to their own young ones. Definite lifespan. It means definite lifespan. These are the features of the kingdom Animalia. But we will discuss these features in chapter number 4, Animal Kingdom. Chapter 4, Animal Kingdom. Next topic, students, viruses, varioids and lichens. We will discuss in our next session. This is enough for today. You have to revise it thoroughly and remember it. Thank you and have a nice day.